What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's take some time to talk about XRP because I know one of the questions I always get is like, how valuable is XRP really going to be? If I don't believe that it's going to be the world currency and be the top coin that's there, and I just believe it's going to be valuable as a another payment option, right? Like speaking for other people, then what would it be? Like, is it going to be the largest altcoin that is out there? And I've ran into these questions quite frequently where uh, people are just wondering if XRP is even what we say it is because of the lack of movement, lack of attention. But honestly, the attention is there, and I've seen this. You could see within certain videos, like if you put out information, it's not something that will tie to everything. Now, if you say anything kind of goes to a significant value, you probably would get a decent amount of clicks because of the fact that they want to know why you believe that that's going to be the case, or why others believe, or, an article that you're reading, whatever, right? So whether it's 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, it still creates some interest, but not as much interest as we are seeing within these videos. And even while we speak, we still understand the popularity based on how many people are holding it. Now you're looking at 5 million holders within XRP, which is absolutely amazing to see. It's a huge milestone to hit. And I'm sure you're not done here. It's not going to be something where people, it's just going to be like, Bitcoin, where people hold partial of that coin because it's worth so much rather than holding the, one or two or 10 or, 1,000. And it's going to trickle down. While I hold a decent amount, that amount is going to trickle down to being, in the hundreds, or maybe even in a decimal point, a fraction of a coin. So let's talk about Ripple. I saw an article today talking about how, Ripple could be the biggest altcoin in 2024. So if it's not going to be the main coin that leads the market, kind of like what Bitcoin could be, or if Ethereum is going to take over that spot and XRP will never get to that level, which I don't believe will happen. I believe XRP will be the top cryptocurrency in the crypto market based on its use, as long as that use does get implemented. But some people are like, well, we're not going to see that be taken over just like the way that you believe it's going to be, or implemented the way that you believe it's going to be. So with that being said, is it going to be the largest altcoin? So I saw an article that basically talked about this exact same thing, the biggest altcoin in 2024. So let's just talk about that side of things. And even if we don't see it as the top coin, what will it be a little bit lower than that? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out the new HG Access, we have about 800 members within HG Access. So thank you guys for signing up as free members, about 60 paid members. So there's just a lot of people that are interested in the content there. And I even have my own section within this. So if you guys want to go and, check it out and, meet me, see what's going on, and, just, chat it up with me, or whatever, right? I have a bunch of different places that you guys can go in here and check out. This is the Discord group. And it gives you all the different plays, the alpha plays. We're going to have a live stream today at some point, and you probably already have seen it. I'm not sure. But you'll be able to meet me. You'll have announcements. You'll have portfolio updates from me. You have early access to content, which I don't believe is going to be there because people on YouTube have early access. And then you also have, trading with me, my trading strategies and stuff like that. And then also we can have a chat here and there as long as you are signing up, under me. Some people outside will also talk to me as well. So again, it's a great situation that we all came together, and we have a bunch of different YouTubers ranging from 1,000 subscribers all the way up to like 200 or 300,000 subscribers. So definitely have a lot of I guess what you would say influence within the crypto space. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Also, if you guys want to sign up for Margex, feel free to do that. The link is in the description. But if we currently look at XRP, if we look at the market, we're going to see that Bitcoin, is at the top. You're seeing that at an $856 billion market cap. Let's say that Bitcoin is going to get to a $2 trillion, $3 trillion market cap, and XRP will only hover around maybe a $1 trillion market cap, or maybe a $2 trillion market cap right below Bitcoin. Um, the fight is really around Ethereum. So you have Ethereum, you have BNB, you have Solana right now that are all past them. And the reason why they're past them is more about the litigation rather than, its value and where it stands. Because once that's free of litigation, you do see that XRP ends up rising. It did rise to about 90 cents before when XRP was labeled not a security. But then with all the negativity that came afterwards, you saw that things did fall back down. It's currently sitting at 56 cents. For the price, we're seeing it at a $30 billion market cap with still 1.1 or almost $1.2 billion worth of volume. I'm always excited about this. I have a lot of XRP and I plan on continuously buying more. We will go more into the chart in a little bit later and where I do see this going and where it is trending, honestly. But if we look at this article that talks about Chatgpt, so Chatgpt, they asked Ripple if it can be the biggest altcoin of 2024. And I thought this was very interesting, so I wanted to go down to the piece to talk about XRP, which is right here. Answer depends on these conditions. So will it be the top altcoin of 2024? According to ChatGPT, XRP can become the largest alternative coin in 2024, assuming multiple factors are in play. Substantial technology advancements of Ripple's underlying technology were outlined as some of the most important ones. XRP is used in cross-border payments, and further adoption in that field could possibly or positively impact its price. Legally and regulatory developments are next in line. Recall that Ripple is involved in a lawsuit with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, and currently has the upper hand after securing 3 partial court wins last year. The grand trial at schedule for April this year, and its outcome could have major effect on the entire cryptocurrency sector. And I agree with that. A decisive victory for Ripple might boost investors' confidence and trigger a bull run for XRP, whereas the opposite ruling could lead to the implementation of strict rules and push the brakes on the market. The performance of other digital assets and other emergence of new projects could also play a role. The other factors the AI-powered chatbot mentioned were global economic conditions, community support, and key possible partnerships, which would be with banks. XRP is currently the 5th largest altcoin with a market capitalization of almost 31 billion. It's currently at 30 billion. Ethereum is the first over 270 billion, meaning that Ripple's coin has a long way to go before reaching the top. So it's saying that it could happen, right? It's not saying that it will happen. It's saying that it could happen because XRP definitely has the potential with all of the different things that are being developed, but it's all surrounding the litigation. It's all surrounding exactly what's happening within that court case and the final decision that will happen in April around the halving. We could see a bunch of positivity, seeing the ETFs that are out there, the money that's flowing into the market, hopefully a settlement beforehand. But we can also see that final decision, which could create even more of a push. But the thing that's keeping XRP's price down and not really trending in the same direction that everybody else is, like if you look at the trend line that I have built on Margex, you're going to see that this level of support, this ascending level of support, is not rising as much as you would hope, right? You see other things that are rising a lot more, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Caspa, whether it's BNB or Solana, and so many other things are rising in a more aggressive level. But XRP is kind of trending at kind of flat, but still has a little bit of an increase to that. You are seeing that ascending level of that support, which is definitely a good thing, meaning that we can see certain levels that it will hit, whether that level will be somewhere around 52 cents or 40 cents, or 50 cents, is great because then you can see those bounces. But it really all depends on exactly what's happening. It hasn't really strayed from that line, from that level of support. So I don't really expect too much further. And that's why a lot of other things in the market have kind of fallen a little bit. But XRP hasn't really fallen as much. Yes, it fell from 63 to 56 or something. Did have a little bit of a rise, or actually 51, did have a rise back up to like 58 and then came back down to 56. However, you're not seeing as much of a fall right now compared to a lot of other things. Solana is dropping a little bit more. You see Bitcoin that's dropping a little bit more, Ethereum that's dropping a little bit more, and maybe falling more in line with their trend, which is more aggressive. While you see XRP that's kind of laid out as like an ETF, honestly, because it's less aggressive. So, anyways, definitely go ahead and check out XRP if you guys are interested. If you're new to crypto market, I think it's a great play to be involved in for the long term as well as the short term. If you guys want to trade on Margex, I'm using Margex for a lot of my trading. I also have my main trading strategy over there. Feel free to sign up for Margex. The link is in the description, where you can. I'll get like a little bit of a kickback because it is a partner with the channel. So feel free to use my link down below. But you can trade with up to 100x leverage. I'm currently trading Bitcoin with 99x leverage. I'm trading XRP with 5x leverage, Solana with 5x leverage, and a lot of other things. And I'm going to test out that strategy. And if you want some information on that strategy, I have that information either on my main Patreon, or you can go over to HG Access and also get access to other YouTubers' information. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you're thinking, whether it could get to being the biggest altcoin. I believe that XRP is not only going to be the biggest altcoin, it's going to be the biggest coin, not in 2024, but maybe you know what? Let's agree with that. I believe it will be the biggest altcoin in 2024. But will it be the main currency or the thing leading the market in 2024? I don't believe that will be the case in 2024. Maybe as we move along and as we see things that are developed and implemented and all of that stuff. So let me know your opinion down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.